Haleakala Volcano, and we are above the clouds. Look at that. It has an elevation of 10,023 feet above sea level.
Also known as the House of the Sun, this 30,000-acre national park is popular for hiking, camping, and chasing the spectacular sunrise and sunset. The drive to the summit is already an adventure. The road is long and winding. It feels like we were driving into the sky or above the clouds. Haleakala is a massive volcano and actually covers more than 75% of the island of Maui. And there's two sides of the volcano which makes it very unique. There's a side where you can see the ancient volcanic features, and on the other side is a dense rainforest with rugged coastline. The entrance of the volcano heading to the crater is at 7,000 feet. So there's a small visitor center here where you can get some information about the park. Then you have to drive another 45 minutes to reach the summit. And there's another visitor center close to this area. And on the other side, which is the Kipahulu District of Haleakala, there's another visitor center but a totally different way. So you have to take the road to Hana to reach this area. And this is the spectacular view from the summit. You can see the valley, the upper visitor center, and you have the option to drive up to the summit. There's an ample parking area here, and there's an observation deck where you can see the panoramic view of the area. And you can hike here and see the Haleakala Observatory or the Haleakala High Altitude Observatory site, which is the Hawaii's first astronomical research observatory. Hiking is one of the best things to do here, and don't forget to enter into this observation deck where you can get more information about the volcano and the surrounding area. And from this point, on a clear and sunny day, you can see the two dominant volcanic peaks of Big Island, which is the Mauna Kea and Mauna Lua. These are the silver sword plants, or locally known as Ahina Hina. They are endangered and can only be found here in Haleakala Volcano. Imagine, they can live up to 60 years. So they are scattered here at the summit, and they can also be found on the trails and on the slope of the volcano. This is the upper visitor center. There's a clean washroom here and very close to the White Hill Trail, the best spot to see the sunrise. So people has to climb this hill in order to see the sunrise. By the way, if you are planning to see the sunrise, you need to have a reservation because the parking is limited. And of course, you need to wake up early in order to be here and get a good spot before the sunrise. We opted to see the sunset instead, and I'm going to show you guys later, or you can check my previous video. I uploaded a time-lapse footage of the sunset. And this is the trail going to the best spot for the sunrise. We still hike this area, and look at what we saw.
Over there, beautiful rainbow and the clouds.
The crater is covered with clouds, but it clears up once in a while. So as you can see, there's a beautiful rainbow down there. And this is the Sliding Sands Trail, or the Keonehe'ehe Trail. It is a premier access to the Haleakala crater. We hike part of it because we have limited time, and I'm going to show it to you guys. What is that missing summit? It's a missing summit because it's always covered with clouds. But look, the tip is showing. Oh! And of course, the tiny rainbow is always following me, and I'm always fascinated with it. And look, the summit is covered again with clouds, but you can see the beautiful moon there. And this is the reason why they call it Sliding Sands Trail. So this is so beautiful. This part is gray and that part is red. We will go over there. Let's see if we can reach it. The different color of the slope, very nice, beautiful. So a while ago we were there on the top of that hill, that one, yeah, and then we hiked all the way down over here. We made it, Daddy. Coming down is easy, but going up back to that hill is very hard. We can do this. It's so hard to go up. Huh?
You can do that.
And it's a little bit cold now, because the sun is hiding from the summit, but we need to go up to see the sunset. I'm so tired,
You can do it.
but it's worth it. It's totally worth it. The views here are different. Look at the valley. It has different colors, and wow, there's no more vegetation here. It's pure sand and gravel. The primary reason why we come up here is to see this beautiful sunset. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helps you a little bit of what to expect if you're planning to visit here. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And by clicking the icon bell, you'll be notified for my future uploads like this. And to all my subscribers, as always, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.